Hello students, chapter 8 quantity points to be remembered, continue introduction, profit and loss. We will in the topic profit and loss. What is profit and loss and what you have to find out percentage. Can you be able to see here what is here certain topics are there, you have to remember that cost price that we have learned in previous class also. Cost price again revision we are doing. Cost price means article purchase price. Okay, in short we will say CP, selling price, SP, selling price or sold price. Then additional expenses means when we are purchasing article, we are paying articles that transportation or repairing or stitching, any cost we are paying, that expenses is called additional expenses or overhead expenses. Additional expenses in short we AE, and overhead expenses we are writing OE. Okay, then next come net price. Net price means cost price plus additional expenses is called net price. Okay, then will come profit. Profit means what? Whenever we are whenever selling price is greater than cost price or net price, then we are having profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP if we want to find, CP plus profit. The same way loss is equal to CP or NP greater than SP. Loss if you want to find, CP minus SP. This is the formulas that you have to remember. Write it down in the notebook and remember it. CP if you want to find cost price, do SP plus loss. This is CP. Then we have to find it out profit percentage and loss percentage. This is the formula. This is the profit upon CP NP into 100. Loss CP or NP into 100. Okay, don't take SP every time, you have to take CP or NP. Now we are doing one example. See, a shopkeeper bought a chair for rupees 375 and sold it for rupees 400. Find the gain percentage. Gain means profit percentage. इतने में खरीदा है, इतने में बेचा है, तो क्या हुआ? प्रॉफिट, isn't it? So solution we will do. CP is equal to rupees 375, SP is equal to rupees 400. So SP is greater than CP, isn't it? Or CP is smaller than SP. So there is profit. Profit ka what is to find the profit? SP minus CP. So 400 minus 375 is equal to 25 rupees. So profit percentage also we have to find. Profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So 25 upon 375 into 100. So when we will cut, it will come 20 upon 3, or we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. 6 integer 2 upon 3 percentage is the gain. Okay, this way we have to find profit and loss, and then afterwards percentage. Now last topic is simple interest. In simple interest, whenever we want to start a business, remember this, I am saying this is the new topic. Whenever we have to find, we don't have money, whenever we want to start a business, we need a money first of all. So we have to borrow from some our friend or from bank. So for that, money lender or bank charge some money, extra money, that is called interest. Okay, so here in simple, how to find that calculation, we have to study this. These are the topics which we have to study so that we can able to calculate simple interest. So first topic is in this principal. Principal is the amount borrowed from a bank or a money lender for a specific period of time is called principal. प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है? मनी हम लोग बैंक से लेते हैं या तो किसी मनी लेंडर से लेते हैं कि स्पेसिफिक पीरियड मीन्स 1 ईयर या 2 ईयर उसको टाइम दिया जाता है. तो तब तक हमें वो पैसे उनको वापस लौटाना है। तो वो जो मनी है, दैट मनी विच वी आर बोरोइंग फ्रॉम दैट मनी लेंडर और बैंक इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल। ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इंटरेस्ट। इंटरेस्ट इज what is interest when we the additional money given by the borrower is called interest. Paid or given by the borrower to the money lender or bank is called interest. हमें ये प्रिंसिपल लिया है, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट लिया है, उसके साथ हमें इंटरेस्ट भी देना है उसको, तब दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एंड गिव। तो एक्स्ट्रा मनी, एडिशनल मनी, एक्स्ट्रा मनी इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट। व्हाट इज अमाउंट? अमाउंट मीन्स प्रिंसिपल भी हमें लौटाना है, इंटरेस्ट भी, दोनों मिला के जो होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अमाउंट। द टोटल मनी पेड बैक टू द बोरोवर, back by the borrower to the lender is called amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. अमाउंट क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल भी देना है हमें और इंटरेस्ट भी देना है, दोनों मिला के उसको बोलते हैं अमाउंट। ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। द इंटरेस्ट ऑन ₹100 फॉर 1 ईयर इज कॉल्ड रेट पर परसेंट पर एनम। ऐसा रेट फिक्स होता है, तो उससे वो लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। इतना परसेंटेज मैं चार्ज करूँगा, बैंक बोलते हैं या मनी लेंडर बोलता है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें देना पड़ता है या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है। सिंपल इंटरेस्ट किसको बोलते हैं, मैंने बताया था अभी। इफ़ द इंटरेस्ट इज़ कैलकुलेटेड यूनिफॉर्मली, यूनिफॉर्मली मीन्स सेम ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल के साथ, उसे बोलते हैं सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। इफ़ द इंटरेस्ट इज़ कैलकुलेट यूनिफॉर्मली ऑन द ओरिजिनल principal throughout the loan period is called simple interest. When we will calculate the sums, we will come to know all these topics and how to calculate. Simple interest का formula है PRN upon 100. PRN, what is principal, what is R rate of interest, what is N period or time, जो time period देते 1 year 2 year वो सब। Now one example I have done that you understand. More examples we will do. See, ₹10,000 is invested at 5% interest rate per annum. Okay, find the interest at the end of the 1 year and also amount. So see, what is given that we have to write. What is solution? See, principal is ₹10,000 given, R is 5% and is only 1 year. Okay, so what is the formula of SI means simple interest. PRN upon 100. So 10,000 into 5 into 1 upon 100. So when we will cut it, we will get 500. So what is 500? 500 is the interest. What is 500? 500 is the simple interest. Now we have to also find amount. So principal plus interest is equal to amount. So 10,000 plus 500 is equal to 10,500 is the amount which that person has to give it back to the money lender. Okay, chapter introduction is over. We will start exercise in next video. Thank you.